Welcome to the Ranking Factory software setup. So we just completed the stack setup. We come up to the menu bar up at the top right and click on Close, and then go all the way over to the left and click on API. It doesn't matter what order we go in, so I'm going to start with the easiest one first, and you can add your Google email account or Gmail account. And you want your Gmail account password. Okay, and then click Add New Google Account. Then it opens up a browser and wants you to sign into that account. And then here it reads, choose how to use Google. So we want this one. And Ranking Factory Revolutions would like to. And here are all the permissions we're granting. And click Allow. Receive verification code. You may now close this window. It reads, account has no Blogger blogs. Do you want to save account? Yes. Okay, and there is the Google account saved. And next we will do the Google Translate API key. And you click on the button on the right hand side here, reads Get Translate API. Okay. And we're going to come up to the upper right and click on Try It Free. Or there's a button over on the left hand side too. They're both the same. And you're going to enter your email address and password. Sign in. Stay signed in. When you're doing a lot of things with an account that has two-step verification, it is really a pain in the bum. Okay, I have $300 in credit remaining and 354 days. How very nice of them. Okay, we come up to the hamburger stack on the left. Click on that, come down to API and Services, and then over to Library on the flyout window. Now you come down the menu on the left-hand side and click on Public. And I believe these are in alphabetical order, and we are looking for Cloud Translator. There we go, next page. There we go. If you have more than one project in here, you may want to check to make sure that you're using the project that you want to use. So I've selected my first RFR Ranking Factory project. So click Enable. Okay, now we come down the left side menu and click on Credentials. And we have service account keys here that we created these a few days ago. And so we can copy this key. And if you're saving things on a notepad, you can paste it to your notepad. Now we come up to the top and click on Close Browser. And enter the Google Translate API key and save. Next, we're going to do the Google Maps API key, and you come over to the button on the right and click on Get Maps API, and it will open your browser back up. Okay, and here's a message. Certain usage of the Maps Embed API are now billed. See usage and billing for more information. Come over to the left-hand menu and click on Get API Key. So click on Get Started, and we're going to use Maps. Continue. Select a project. Okay, and Next. Okay, it's enabling billing of maps. Okay, enable your APIs. This will enable 7 Google Maps platform APIs and create an API key for your implementation. Enable Google Maps platform. Okay, you're ready to start developing. Here is the API key. So just copy the key, copy, or you can click here and copy it to a clipboard, and done. So if you're saving your keys to a notepad, you're going to put it there and save it. And we can close this and close this browser and paste the key in here and save. Okay, last but not least, we're clicking on Quick Generate API for Firebase. Log in with our Gmail account. Now we click on Add a Project. Pick a project or name one. It's in the United States. I accept the controller forms and I agree, and click on Add Firebase. Okay, we're pay as you go. Confirm plan. And there was a link there, you could have checked on the details if you wanted. Now we click on Add Firebase to your iOS app. So you want to give it a name, and the name does have SEO significance, so it's a good idea to use a keyword that pertains to your project. I don't know if we need a nickname, App Store ID, these two are optional, and click on Register App. Then click on Download Google Service Playlist and save it. I wasn't able to download the file from within the software, so I went to console.firebase.google.com and filled out this part there and downloaded the file. Then click Next and just click Next. Okay, it's checking to see if the app has communicated with their servers. I never did find out whether it connected with their servers. Just click on Skip this step. Click Next. And Next. Okay, and we go to the left-hand menu and click on Grow and select Dynamic Links and get started. Okay, so here we're going to create a subdomain, and it reads, Dynamic links are created on the page link domain. You may customize the link with your brand or app name. Customized links look more contextual and result in higher engagement. And click on Continue. Okay, and you want to copy this link here. Copy and paste it in your notepad or wherever you're saving these. And we're going to create a new dynamic link. So this has stuck some letters and a number in here by default. You can change this if you wish. I'm just going to copy this and click on Next. And then we paste that URL in here and give it a dynamic link name and click Next. Okay, click Next, and you can skip, click on Create, so we can copy this link and go and paste it on our document. Now we come up to the upper left and click on the little gear and select Project Settings. And voila! We only need the Firebase short URL API key and the Firebase dynamic link domain, and you want that the link domain without the https://. Okay, so now we come up and click on Close Browser. Our Firebase dynamic link domain goes in here. We want just the part that follows the /, and that goes in Firebase dynamic link domain. And then here is the web API key. Copy this, paste in here, and save. And it doesn't look like anything's happening. You can't tell that it's being saved. So you can just go ahead and close the software and then open it again and come over and click on API, and here are all my keys. And that wraps up this tutorial.